Alright, hey guys, it's Zach here, and I'm going to show you my WWE Micro aggression figurines. So, here we go. Alright, this first one, I love collecting these, and my first one is a Batista. See in there, this is nice tattoos. This is Batista. Sadly, they don't make these anymore. They make Rumblers, which I don't really like. Well, they are pretty good, but I prefer these. This is MVP. Now this doesn't say MVP at the back of it, as you can see, but it says MVP on the side there, right there. One of many John Cena's. This is the one I don't use. I might use it, but I really like the details. See, says you can't see me with that little black stuff on there. And then I'm sorry if fearless, and then it says, like, it actually says stuff. It says regret nothing, fearless, and then at the front it says chain gang assault. But I don't know, it's very um I don't know, it's just not really clear. It's John Morrison, really, just the four little designs on his leg. Yeah. Another John Cena, same one. Yeah. Blu-ray Mysterio. No, it doesn't have his new tattoos there. Doesn't even have his necklace, the tattoo necklace. But it does have a skull tattoo. Maybe. Glow in the Dark Undertaker. Really cool figurine. And after I'll show you the arena I made and bought, and my Mr. Kennedy. Mr. Kennedy! Right, the Viper Randy Orton. He doesn't have his new tattoos though. Whoops, sorry. Sorry about my other video I made the other day, but Bobby Lashley. There's really not much to see about him there. Elijah Burke. Oh yeah. And then it says 4 up. Oops, sorry. I'm doing this on my webcam. Chris Jericho, best in the world. It's actually CM Punk, but whatever, you know. Yeah, that's very good. Hardcore Holly. MVP, another one, and see. Whoops. And this one it does say MVP. John Cena, no shirt. This is the one I use during a match. This is the one I use whenever he's doing his entrance. And now this one says hustle, loyalty, respect on the back. And at the back has the big chain gang dog. I think that's a chain gang dog. I don't know. Very, very nice details on him. Like, I really like the back and the front. Very nice. It's a very nice figurine. Anyway, back to Shawn Michaels, the showstopper. Kane, one that I use. The Game Triple H. The best. This is my favorite of all time. He is the best in the world. CM Punk. The Boogeyman. I really like his face details on this one. Freaking nice. And he's just wearing black pants. The late, great Umaga. Rest in peace. Whoops. Chavo. I don't even know where Chavo is now. That's okay, he's not even that good anyway. One of the first ECW CM Punks. Now, if you compare this CM Punk to that CM Punk, for some reason, Jack Specific decided to put all the tattoos on this one, but shit on this one. Like, what the fuck? See, and then there's the comparisons. I really don't know anymore about anything. Oh yeah, Matt Hardy. JBL really doesn't have any perks or anything. Jeff Hardy, the I love him. He's so good. Tommy Dreamer, the ZCW hardcore shirt on. Shelton Benjamin. I don't even know where he. Oh, I heard he was on TNA, but I don't know. My first microaggression, John Cena. I read really, if anyone has the Miz, I would like him. If anyone's willing to trade or something, I really want the Miz. He's my favorite. I'm just saying. The Undertaker. I got an Edge. I'm willing to trade an Edge if anybody wants one for a Miz. I got Big Daddy V. I got a Finley. The leg's kind of messed up, but I fixed it. Shawn Michaels. I'm willing to trade a John Cena for a Miz too. Um, Triple H. Because I really like collecting these. I think that's pretty much it. There's some more, but it's really just crappy ones. And I'll show you there. That is my entire collection. And I'll show you over here my arena that they play in. See? You got the big entrance stage there. Whoops, sorry. You got the big entrance stage there, the barricades, the two worker guys, the ring. Go over here, we got the announce table. Whoops, sorry. The announce table. Then you got the big monitor that goes all around the arena. So yeah, and then you got trashing. And then you got the backstage area. See? This is my little Zack Ryder fist I made. It's not really a fist, it's just kind of... I also made some Cody Rhodes paper bags, and then you got the little interview set right there. And then I'll just give you a top view. Then you got your Alberto Del Rio car, forklift, and I use these as the pyro sticks. These things. So yeah, it's my arena and my microaggression figurines. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is my custom WWE truck I made. It changes by pay-per-view, and this carries some of my figurines and Yeah. And yeah, that's my WWE wrestlers figurine microaggression arenas. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter at WWE Misfit. See ya.